Dear students, today we are going to discuss a case study on the topic digital equalizers. So, digital equalizer is a device that is very commonly found in sound production reproduction applications. So, we can see that case study. Hi students. So now we can look deeply into the case study. So as I told, the case study that we are going to discuss today is digital equalizers. So digital equalizer is a device that works on audio signals or audio device used to equalize the audio device. So equalization is the process of adjusting the balance between the frequency components with an electronic signal. The most well-known use of digital equalization is in sound recording and reproduction, but there are many other applications in electronics as well as in telecommunication. The circuit or equipment that is used to achieve this equalization is called as an equalizer or digital equalizer. These devices strengthen or weaken the energy of a specific frequency bands or frequency ranges. So in sound recording and reproduction, equalization is the process that is commonly used to alter the frequency response of an audio system using the filters. Most hi-fi equipments uses relatively simple filters to make bass and treble adjustments. So graphic and parametric equalizers have much more flexibility in tailoring with the frequency content of an audio signal. Since digital equalizers adjust the amplitude of an audio signal at a particular frequencies, they in other words are also called as frequency specific volume nodes. This other name. They are also called as digital equalizers are also called as frequency specific volume nodes. In field of audio electronics or digital audio electronics, the term equalization has come to include the adjustments of the frequency range for particular aesthetic reasons, often resulting in the net response that is not actually flat. The term digital equalization specifically refers to the variant of the term. That is basic guitar amplitudes typically have adjustable equalizers which boost or cut the bass or treble the frequencies. Similarly, mid to high priced guitar have amplifiers usually that have more band of frequency controllers. They will be having inbuilt digital equalizers in that. So here the digital equalization means that the amount of equalization that has been done can be displayed digitally to the users. That is what the device is comprised of. That is what this device is used for. So equalizer, as I told already, equalizers are used in recording studios, radio studios and production control rooms, and it is also used in live sound reinforcement and instrumental instrument amplifiers, or to adjust the response as well as in the microphones that we use to speak, instrument pickups, loudspeakers, in-hall acoustics, etc. These are the typical application of equalizers. So digital equalization may also be used to eliminate the hum coming from a guitar amplifier by making certain instruments or voices more or less prominent to enhance the particular aspect of an instrument in a public addressing system. These equalizers are also used in music production to adjust the timbre of individual instruments and voices by an individual instrument with an overall frequency spectrum of the mix. The most common digital equalizer in music production are parametric, subparametric, graphic, peak and program equalizers. So all these equalization the effect level can be digitally displayed to the user with the help of this digital equipment device that we are discussing right now. So the parametric equalizer requires more expensive than graphic equalization compensation alteration around the chosen frequency range. This may be used in order to remove the unwanted resonance or to boost certain frequencies. Who find that the instrument sounds too bony may ask the audio engineer to cut the lower range of frequencies to correct the issue, or as a guitar or in a guitar or any other musical instrument. So the concept of equalization was first applied in correcting the frequency response of a telephone line using passive network. This was prior to the invention of an electronic amplification that is used to compensate for the uneven frequency response of an electric system by applying a